France is now among the 5 countries which have reported more than 3,000 coronavirus deaths. With 418 new deaths, the total number of deaths in the country jumped to 3,024. Apart from France, China, Spain, Italy and the US have crossed 3,000 COVID-19 casualties threshold. Meanwhile, French firefighters are coming to the rescue of COVID-19 patients, especially the elderly. Firemen have been airlifting patients to hospitals in their new role as first responders to the coronavirus outbreak.
Pour les sapeurs-pompiers en situation de crise, notre première priorité, c'est déjà d'être au front avec l'ensemble des partenaires. Et en l'occurrence, pour traiter les problématiques de Covid-19, notre souci, c'est d'être des vrais partenaires des institutions hospitalières et en particulier d'être en capacité d'acheminer l'ensemble des personnes qui sont soumises au Covid-19 dans les meilleures conditions jusqu'au centre hospitalier.
Health authorities in France have warned against self-medication after several people were hospitalized for poisoning.
Il y a un risque qui peut affecter tout le monde et donc il faut se méfier énormément d'une prise de ce produit qui ne serait pas sous prescription médicale, sous surveillance médicale stricte. Et donc je crois que là, c'est le message plus que le chiffre qu'il faut retenir.
Meanwhile, France received its first order of medical supplies from China. The country has ordered more than 1 billion protective masks, mainly from China, to try to make up for the shortage. Meanwhile, Italy, which has confirmed the maximum number of deaths in the world, witnessed a 4.2% decline in the number of new infections. However, the country witnessed over 800 deaths in a day, taking the total death toll to a whopping 11,591. Meanwhile, Italy's Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has said that the nationwide lockdown will be extended to at least mid-April to help combat the outbreak. Shifting focus away from Italy to all the latest from the world of sport. The Tokyo Olympic Games are to be held in July and August 2021 after their historic postponement from this summer due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The International Olympic Committee held an executive board meeting in Lausanne, the first since the Olympics were pushed back last week. The IOC, Japanese officials and organizers of the Paralympic Games all decided that the Summer Games would start exactly 1 year from the original dates for 2020. The Paralympic Games will begin from August 24th, 2021. Economists estimate that the postponement will cost Japan nearly $6 billion on top of the $13 billion already spent. Barcelona Football Club captain Lionel Messi has hit out at the club board for their handling of the pay cut measures. Messi and his team agreed to take a 70% pay cut in order to reduce the impact of the pandemic, and the players will make additional contributions to ensure that non-sporting staff at the club receive their full wages. But Messi also attacked the club's hierarchy in a social media post for putting unnecessary pressure on the players even after the squad had agreed to take the pay cut. European football's governing body UEFA will discuss the fate of this season's Champions League and Europa League in a video conference meeting on Wednesday. All UEFA competitions have been halted because of the pandemic, and the European Championship, initially scheduled for this year, has also been pushed to 2021. Representatives of all 55 member associations will attend the conference call tomorrow to discuss the potential rescheduling of matches. UEFA President Alexander Seferin said on Saturday that the current campaign may be lost if it is not restarted by the end of the month of June. The World Athletics Championships in Oregon in the US, originally scheduled for next year, will be moved back by 1 year to the year 2022 as a result of the change in dates for the Tokyo Olympic Games. The event was initially to take place from the 6th to the 15th of August in 2021, but now those dates will clash with the rescheduled Tokyo Olympics. The World Athletics governing body said they were in discussions with the organizers of the Commonwealth Games and European Athletics Championships, both of which are scheduled to take place in July and August in 2022. Indian tennis star Sania Mirza has raised 1.25 crore rupees to help people struggling in the country due to the 21-day lockdown. In a social media statement, 6-time Grand Slam champion Sania Mirza also said that she had helped provide food to thousands of families in collaboration with an NGO. The daily wage earners have been badly hit by the nationwide lockdown, and many of them are struggling for essential items. Various sports stars in the country, past and present, including Sachin Tendulkar and PV Sindhu, have stepped up and contributed towards the fight against COVID-19.